Have you ever thought about growing your own vegetables? Imagine the joy of plucking fresh, organic produce right from your backyard, saving on grocery bills, and the satisfaction of a harvest that's the fruit of your labor. This video will guide even the greenest thumbs through the process of cultivating onions and garlic, among other popular vegetables. So, are you ready to get your hands dirty and sow the seeds of your very own vegetable garden? Why onions and garlic, you may ask? Well, let me tell you, these two humble vegetables are the perfect choice for beginner gardeners. They're hardy and can withstand a variety of weather conditions, making them a fantastic option for those just getting their green thumbs warmed up. Onions and garlic are also easy to grow, requiring little maintenance once they're in the ground. Plus, they're both cool season crops, meaning you can plant them in early spring or late fall, depending on your climate. But the benefits don't stop at the garden gate. Onions and garlic are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. They're the foundation of countless recipes, imparting their unique flavors and aromas to dishes from around the world. They're also packed with beneficial nutrients, making them a healthy addition to your meals. So onions and garlic are not just easy to grow, but they add a flavor punch to your meals. Let's move on to how you can grow them. Growing onions is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Let's begin with selecting the right variety. In the cooler months, opt for short-day onions like the sweet Georgia Vidalia. For warmer seasons, long-day types such as the Walla Walla variety are your best bet. Now let's ready the soil. Onions prefer well-drained, loamy soil. A sunny spot is ideal. Amend the soil with organic matter like compost or aged manure. This helps improve soil fertility and moisture retention. Next, it's time to plant the bulbs. Dig a shallow furrow, about 2 inches deep. Set the bulbs pointed end up, with about 4 to 5 inches between each bulb. Gently cover them with soil. Watering is key. Onions need a consistent supply of moisture, so water regularly, especially in dry weather. But be careful not to overwater, as onions don't like soggy soil. Patience is a virtue when it comes to growing onions. Depending on the variety, onions are ready to harvest in about 3 to 5 months. You'll know it's time when the tops begin to yellow and fall over. Gently pull the onions out, brush off the soil, and let them dry in a well-ventilated, shady spot for a few days. Once the outer skin's dry and the necks tighten, your onions are ready to be stored. And that's how you grow onions. Now let's move on to its flavorful cousin, garlic. Garlic, a staple in many cuisines, can be grown right in your backyard. Now let's delve into the step-by-step guide on how to cultivate this pungent yet flavorful bulb. First off, you'll need to pick the right variety of garlic. There are many different types, but the two main categories are hardneck and softneck. Hardneck garlic is more suitable for colder climates and has a stronger flavor, while softneck garlic grows well in milder climates and stores longer. Next, prepare the soil. Garlic prefers well-drained soil enriched with organic matter. You can enhance the soil's fertility by adding compost or well-rotted manure. Make sure the soil pH is between 6 and 7. Once your soil is ready, it's time to plant the cloves. Choose the largest cloves from your garlic bulb and plant them pointy end up, about 2 inches deep and 4 inches apart. This should be done in the autumn, about 6 weeks before the ground freezes. Watering is crucial to garlic growth. Water the cloves regularly, but avoid overwatering, as this could lead to rot. Finally comes the rewarding part, harvesting. When most of the leaves have turned brown, usually in late summer, it's time to gently dig up your garlic. Cure it in a warm, dry place for a couple of weeks before storing. Congratulations, you now know how to grow garlic, but we're not done yet. Gardening might seem intimidating at first, but it's truly rewarding. Imagine the satisfaction of harvesting your own onions and garlic, knowing they're fresh, organic, and cost-effective. Each season brings a new opportunity to grow, not just for your plants, but for you as a gardener. With time, patience, and a little bit of green thumb magic, you'll find the process becoming easier, even therapeutic. So why not give it a try? Remember, every great gardener starts with a single seed. Thank you for joining us today. Happy gardening.